Hello, my name is Gónzalez and I will be presenting my work on mitigating soil erosion and surface water damage on farm Ilan, located in San Germán. This work was done hand in hand with mano-Y-ola and their partnership with NRCS. Through mano-Y-ola's Champions in Conservation Learning Network, young professionals like me can provide a much-needed helping hand to farmers in their conservation concerns. This opportunity provides tools for the creation of leaders and conservators, as well as increasing the amount of technical experience each student obtains. About me. To formally present myself, my name is Gónzalez and I have a bachelor's degree in biology from the Inter-American University here in Puerto Rico. I currently work as a research assistant in the International Institute of Tropical Forestry with the Forest Service. The primary mission of this internship is to engage with farmers in conservation practices and bettering their soil health, as well as sharing knowledge and techniques learned during this internship. The objective of this internship was to bring knowledge and physical aid to the farmer to mitigate damaged areas in the farm, as well as consulting experts and experienced conservators to propose an action plan for the damaged areas. We learn about the practices that can be used for the conservation of the soil, as well as establishing these conservation practices in the farm. The selected farm for my project was Farm Ilan or Finca Ilan. The farm is led by Jorge Rivera and his family. It has approximately 8 acres of land located in the rural part of San Germán. The farm has been worked for a year and a half using agroecological techniques and agroforestry. To this day, it's part of the Forest Stewardship Program as part of the Forest Service and counts with NRCS conservation aids for multiple sectors of the farm. This high toner was previously installed by the NRCS conservation aid to farms around Puerto Rico as well as an irrigation system at the back of the structure. Some of the conservation concerns expressed by the farmer were landslides across banks in some parts of the farm. Another conservation concern was soil erosion in the main access road to the farm. To better address this problem, first we must understand the environmental factors around the farm. The soil in the farm is a mixture of Caguabo clay loam, Mareusa gravelly clay loam, and Quebrada clay loam. We will be focusing on the Caguabo clay loam since this is the soil where most of the problem seems to be occurring. The soil erosion is part of an impacted land, but there might be some other factors in play that are worsening this problem. The Caguabo series is part of the inceptosols. The soils are permeable, but since they are shallow, they get quickly saturated. The farm is located on a slope in the southwest part of Puerto Rico. The area receives approximately 57.4 inches of precipitation a year, and all these factors together might explain the landslides in the impacted areas of the farm. Once the problem is properly identified, we started working on the concern. We waited for 3 days without rain and cleaned the area around the landslide. We used decaying wood and plant materials to create a barrier around the landslides. Then it was filled with compost and stone to give it structure. After it was properly established, yautía was planted to take advantage of the soil binding properties, as well as vetiver on the top side of the landslide. The access road erosion was impacted by creating a stormwater runoff using a hoe and a pickaxe. After it was completed, we filled the drain with gravel to stop the erosion and planted native cover crops to stop the water velocity and soil degradation. At the beginning of the stormwater drain, some rocks were placed to stop the water velocity caused by the sudden incline in the access road. During the internship, we had the incredible opportunity to work with some dedicated farmers and help them take care of the long-time projects. It's gratifying to establish a connection with the people to help the soil. As the NRCS motto says, helping the people help the land. I'm grateful to be part of the mano-Y-ola team, as well to know some of my hardworking colleagues. We have the opportunity to help people better their soil. I would like to make some acknowledgments to Jorge Rivera, the farmer from Finca Ilan, to Felix Rivera, the agronomist that helped me find a farmer that was willing to work on their farm and better their soil health, to Carlos Calderon, the soil scientist that helped me better understand the problems that were causing landslides and soil erosion in the Finca Ilan farm, and to my leaders and coaches, Nolo Martinez and Rene Rivera. Some of my references, and thank you very much for listening to this project. Thank you.